Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Real Men Get It Done. And what are some good tips and tricks to utilize as you're moving forward with your travel? So stay tuned. This video is going to be fun and give a lot of great information and some reviews on our trip to Florida, Miami, Florida to be exact. Real Men Get It Done. Stay tuned. All right, let's get right into it. So one of the first things that a lot of people, it may seem like a no-brainer, but as my wife just demonstrated, you want to, first of all, always have a carry-on with you, especially if you've packed your luggage and have checked your bags in. Most airlines give you the opportunity to bring a carry-on free, and you can have a pretty nice large-sized bag. So bring a carry-on no matter what. You may end up needing it in the future as you're bringing items back, or if nothing more, it'll just lighten your load and you could have even your dirty clothes in your carry-on. Second thing, definitely recommend have comfortable clothing. It amazes me how many people have belts and loops and things you have to take off. Travel as light as possible so you can get through check-in and keep on moving to your actual destination. Okay, another missed opportunity is actually bringing a water bottle, an empty one. You can use this water bottle before you travel or actually when you land. Airport water is expensive, first and foremost, but second, you're not allowed to take any water through checkpoint. But if you have an empty water bottle, you could get some water, drink it, have your empty water bottle, and then once you land, still use it and refill it. So this gives you a free opportunity to get some fresh water and not have to pay for the expensive airport water. Once we arrived to our destination, this room actually was equipped with extra USB ports, which was pretty cool. But I did bring an extension cord to be able to plug in all of my devices and all of my electronics. But definitely recommend bringing an extension cord just in case the hotel that you stay in does not have USB ports or extra outlets so that you and your family have enough outlets to plug in. All right, a few things to highlight as I'm unpacking. First and foremost, I actually packed my clothes inside of a trash bag, and this trash bag is scented. Additionally, I have a dryer sheet inside that bag. So this is twofold. It allows for my clothes to be fresh, and if there were a mishap with my luggage bag for it to get punctured or busted from anything, it gives opportunity for my clothes to still be saved as I got to my destination. So another thing people, I know a lot of guys don't necessarily use, but a toiletry bag. These are crucial to put everything in one-stop shop, and I try to make sure I can keep all of my toiletries from toothpaste to maybe cologne, everything in this one location so it makes it an easy access for actually traveling. So that is definitely a couple of other to-dos that I would mention that you should use. And you saw in there, I had my extension cord if I needed it. Last but not least, I definitely had my power bank. So this is just important because you never know when you may need a little bit of extra power. So buy and purchase a power bank for your phone and other electronics. All right, let's get into some bonus content for booking your trip and planning. The first thing I would suggest is definitely look for car rental agencies that are not at the actual airport, but close by. We found over the years that you can find some really great deals because they're competing with the actual airline car rental agencies. So you can find you a very cheap rental off-site, and usually they will have a shuttle that will take you from point A to point B. All right, this is our hotel. We ended up staying at a newer Fairfield. It was about a year old. And this hotel was really cool. So the one thing that I would definitely suggest you do is see about booking your flight and your hotel together. Typically, we will look and see about it individually. But our last few times to actual Florida, it has been a bang for our buck to book the flight and the hotel together. And we've gotten newer hotels. So it can seem like a challenge to have to find a Orbitz or an Expedia or some of these different companies, but they are very pretty similar. So check maybe one or two out and see what's the best bet in terms of booking your travel. In the end, when it's all said and done, The last piece of advice is just to enjoy yourself. It's your vacation. You've planned, you did everything you need to do. Now enjoy and relax.